So what's up guys, welcome to the another episode of Private Techie. So today I will be talking about the iPhones that are going to be manufactured in India. So the prices will very much be dropped. So the iPhone 7 will come in 13,000 14,000 rupees, so anybody can purchase that. So with the Apple brand name. So recently some events have been occurred in India, so I will be telling you about that. So stay tuned in the video and watch the video till the end. So let's get started. So Apple has started manufacturing the iPhone 7 model in India. It's a very good thing, and in addition to the iPhone SE, which was the first iPhone, and iPhone 6s, thus widening its made in India portfolio and signaling its intention of developing the country as a manufacturing hub. So next, we are so much proud to be producing iPhone 7 in Bengaluru for our local customers, furthering our long-term commitment in India, said by Apple in an email to the Economic Times exclusive. So Taiwanese contract as from Taiwan. Taiwanese contract manufacturer Wistron, which makes iPhone SE and iPhone 6s models in India at the outskirts of Bengaluru, has been making the iPhone 7 devices recently in India since the beginning of March 2019. The cost of iPhone 7 devices in India is cheaper than importing them due to the export duty concessions, and handsets maker gets a local manufacturing and a move aimed at boosting government's Make in India initiative. Apple's latest move comes after Wistron recently received the government's approval for its rupees 5,000 crores proposal to expand its manufacturing capabilities with the aim of locally producing high-end Apple devices. So Apple is coming off its weakest year 2018 since 2014, and has revamped its management team and sales strategy. With analyzed strategy, it's clear that the company is planning to treat India as as a manufacturing and export hub, also in the backdrop of China-US geopolitical pressures rather than a destination for its product sale. So it's a very proud moment for us that a US company has come in India, and it's going to produce its devices and accessories in India, though the components that will be taken in India will be much cheaper than the US components, so we can get a very value to price performance ratio device. So let's move on to the next point. So in 2018, Apple's market share in India sunk to around 1.2% of in 2018, from 2.4% in 2017. You can take an estimate of that how much of the Apple's market share has been lost in India. So Apple is going to take steps to regain that market position again. So Apple last week launched a television and movie service subscription service, a credit card. Those are the iPhone users, iOS lovers. You can understand that the movie subscriptions and the TV latest televisions have been launched, and a credit card has been launched from Apple as well. So without any profit, they're not going to do anything. And a digital video game arcade, as it sort of reposition itself as an entertainment and final services company, which also makes smartphones too. So the manufacturing of the iPhones are given to the Foxconn, as Foxconn manufactures iPhone SE and iPhone 6s models that are being presently manufactured in the Indian country, in Bengaluru, outskirts of Bengaluru. So though iPhone 6s is a very old model, though the people also prefer to buy that because of that brand name, because of that half apple that has been shown in the background logo. So now let's come to the conclusion that if Apple starts producing its iPhone devices, iPhone 7, iPhone 8, but they're gonna get the older processor only. So if Apple starts producing iPhone 10, iPhone 10s Max and 10R as well as the iPhone 7, iPhone 8 processors and devices, so they're gonna get very much market share, regain their market share, as Indian consumers are rational enough to see the price to performance ratio, as we gonna take the features and the availability of the product, and the price is very important as well. If Apple can price it well, then it's gonna get a hit in India. So that's all in the video, guys. Let's meet in the next video.